You're gonna love the 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 120,000 miles on the odometer. Handsome and versatile, this Santa Fe brings ease and comfort to your busy lifestyle. This midsize crossover SUV offers a spacious, family-friendly cabin, available all-wheel drive, the latest safety and infotainment tech, including standard driver assistance features and stylish modern looks. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: hands-free liftgate, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, power passenger seat, power liftgate, wood grain interior trim, keyless start, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Make getting from point A to point B a thing of beauty in this refined and capable Santa Fe. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.